Hello students, in part 3, given the exercise A, B, but few things remain in part 3 of exercise B. So again I repeat in part 4. Standard 6, that already you know that, subject English grammar, chapter 1, sentence, structure of a sentence. What is structure of a sentence? Can you say? I am telling you. Structure of a sentence, that means first will be here subject, then afterwards verb and object. This is the right process. Subject meaning any name, noun, कोई भी name आ सकता है, noun आ सकता है. Noun meaning what? In chapter 2 I'll discuss regarding what is noun in part 2, that is in chapter 2 part is that noun. Subject, verb and object. Here subject, they are going to Agra. In video 1, that means in part 1, I said in a sentence there are two parts. What is the two parts in a sentence? Can you say? Remember now. One is the subject, another is the predicate. So here look at how to find subject. That is one thing. Beginning of the sentence, that is subject, is not sure. Okay, whatever the beginning of a sentence, that will be subject. Because I am giving one example here. Suppose beginning of the sentence saying that will be subject, but actual not. Why not? Look here, I am writing one here. Is he a player? I said the beginning of a sentence, that is the subject, but I have written here is. It is also beginning. It should be subject. No, here look, is. This is called the auxiliary or helping verb. Here, is he a player? Belongs to which sentence it is? It is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, that is very easy to recognize the interrogative sentence, because when you will be this symbol question mark, that is the interrogative. Clear? Now here, first sentence, they are going to Agra. So they it is the subject. Are going to Agra. This is the predicate. So after subject, the rest of thing is the predicate. That is easy. Subject meaning maybe any name or pronoun, that will be subject. So when you find the subject, after subject the rest of thing is the predicate, that you know. But one question always arises, suppose that how to find subject? Subject कैसे find किया जाता है? Can you say? Say now that. Already I said that the subject how to find. You have to ask question yourself. Who? Whatever the answer will come, that is the subject. They are going to Agra. You ask question, who are going? Answer is coming, they. So this is the they are going. They is the subject, and rest of thing are predicate. Rest of thing is predicate. Rest of thing is predicate. That means predicate, how to find that? Predicate find that whatever telling about the subject, that is called predicate. Here, but here in sentence number 1, see that first they I underline and circle also, that is the subject. But here are is what? Are is helping verb. That is called auxiliary verb. Helping verb meaning sahayak kriya. And going to Agra. these are the all object, but here part 2, subject and object. I said you have to recognize how to find that helping verb. Second, he called me. He called me. Just you find out how to find subject by asking question who. What is answer will come? He. Who called? He called. Who मतलब कौन? किसने बुलाया? तो he. That means here is subject is he. Called me. Rest of thing is the predicate. But students, little bit I am coming in that verb. Action word. In action word also required. Call. Call is in which form? Call in second form. When you are going to read that chapter 10th chapter, present tense, past tense, so this is the simple past call. That is the verb formation required. Few students are telling that, sir, I have difficult to speak, I can't speak in English. This is the main. First structure required. First of all, create structure. Make subject. Subject after put helping verb or action word. Action verb. Then object. Then you can speak perfectly proper way. Grammar is the backbone of English. In any language, grammar is required. Without grammar, you can't write the letter, application, paragraph, whatever may be. If you are going to speak with someone, then also require the grammar. Without grammar, it will be wrong. Now exercise C. For each of these sentences, write whether the underlined word is the subject, verb or object. In book written in place of underline, highlighted. But here not possible to highlight, so I have changed this word. In place of highlighted, I have written underline. So again I am repeating. For each of these sentences, write whether the underlined word is the subject, verb and object. So look here. Already I said subject. Subject में क्या आ सकता है? क्या होना चाहिए? What should be in subject? In subject should be noun meaning name, pronoun meaning सर्वनाम. Like he, she, it, they. These are the pronoun. And noun जिसे हिंदी में संज्ञा कहते हैं. किसी भी तरह का नाम हो सकता है. That should be the person name, place name, maybe animal, insect, whatever may be, any building's name, monument name, whatever may be, that is the subject. And verb. Verb also I say, that is two types, auxiliary or action. Auxiliary verb also there are two names, but similar thing. Helping verb और auxiliary verb, सहायक क्रिया जिसको कहा जाता है. And another is the action word and object. That means you have to find first subject. If in the sentence is the subject, verb or object, you have to write here. First of all, gradually Summer opened the door. Underline open. What is it open? Opened is the verb. So you have to know what is open. After that I have to write here. Because already instructed in the question exercise C, आपको subject find करना है. जो underline word है, क्या वो subject है? Is that subject? Is that verb? Or is that object? You read the sentence proper way, then you write in proper place. So gradually Summer opened the door. Definitely open is a verb. Second, Ritu tickled the dragon with a feather. So here dragon is the object. Josephine lent her dress to her sister. Josephine, that is one girl, lend her dress. Lend that means lend कहाँ से आया? That you should know that this is the verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Little bit I am telling here. Lend, L-E-N-D, lend. Lend, it is the lend meaning उधार लेना. First form. Second form L-E-N-T and third form also same. Lend. That means verb form also required perfectly. You have to recognize and you have to learn by heart compulsory verb form. Already in classes also I said that the grammar exercise no need to learn. If you learn perfectly the rules of grammar, easily you can solve each and every type of exercise. Here, Ritu tickled the dragon with a feather object. Third number, Josephine lent. So here lent is the verb. Her dress to her sister. Suppose in place of lent, if I rough your land and if I underline Josephine, तो that should be here subject. यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए? Subject होना चाहिए. But according to the exercise, whatever given in the textbook, that I am going to follow. That's why land underline. Textbook में exercise में land में underline किया, but वो तो मैं समझाने के लिए बताया था. You should know that. So land is the verb. Fourth number, Subrata found a dinosaur egg in his backyard. In his backyard. So here one thing I am going to ask. Subrata found. If ask question who found, किसको मिला, the answer what will come? Subrata what is it? Subrata will be subject. Whatever I previous part I just discussed and explained. Find the subject. So Subrata found. Now found is in which form? Here also found, F-O, find, found. First will come find, F-I-N-D, find. Then will come found, and third form also will come found. So this is also Subrata found. If you want to recognize that it is in present tense or past tense, found is the past tense. A dinosaur egg. So object, but object also you should know na कि how to find. That means after action word. This is the easy process to find the object. After action word, when will be that word will call that object. So here dinosaur egg in his backyard, that is object. The committee donated a Picasso to that is museum. Here committee, this is the subject. And forming question. Now this is the point is that this exercise completed, but you have to that exercise B. There are two examples I am given. In exercise C, 5 already given there. Whenever you not understand, that you have to pause the video and have to listen again and again. The forming question. Question कैसे बनाया जाता है? How to form question. Question कैसे बनाते हैं? तो first of all question बनाने के rules है. This is the rules of how to form question. First you have to take helping verb. How to form? First take that. Here I am giving the structure. How to form that? Helping verb plus then will come, suppose that is helping verb, then will come noun, a subject plus then verb. Is he played